We just got a sickening feeling. Mickey just texted me, hey, are you guys doing anything?
Hi. Hi, what's this? Puppy. Puppy.
Bubby, 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 Bubby.
Hello, darling.
He's licking your face.
I don't think he actually licked him. I think
He's
he just
sniffing.
sniffed him. Corlin. No.
That was kind of fun, and oh my god, let's still try to
I don't get it. He can control everything else in town with his mind, but he can't make that stupid thing bigger and take it up. You're kidding, right? He can do that? That's easy. No way. This technology is too dangerous for mankind. So, as a dog, I'll bury it where nobody will ever find it, and it won't bring harm to our fair city again. Roger that, Dickie. You're not gonna bury that thing, are you? I will never be a heat monster, even if I have to do it one hot dog at a time.
It's like tug of war. Oh, Corey. Last time they played together, Yoshi was bigger than she was.
I know. He's so cute. Look at that snuggle.